Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the Apple ID email and password because you will need them immediately. Once you have a backup saved, go straight into Settings and tap your name. Turn off Find My iPhone, this prevents activation lock, then choose Sign Out and enter the Apple ID password. Do this now so the device is disassociated from iCloud. If you're the previous owner, make sure you remove the device from your account before handing it over. If you can't enter the password, start account recovery at iForget. Apple. Calm and follow the two-factor prompts on a trusted device. This can take time, so begin immediately. Once signed into iCloud. Calm, go to Find iPhone and remove the device from your account so it no longer has activation lock. If the device belonged to someone else, ask them to remove it remotely or contact Apple support with a receipt. Make sure you understand why recovery identifiers and trusted numbers matter for security. To finish, erase the device. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then erase all content in Settings. This ensures personal data is wiped. Once done, verify the device no longer appears under your Apple ID at iCloud. Calm and that activation lock is cleared so another person can activate it. If activation lock still appears, don't panic. Collect the original purchase receipt and contact Apple support. They can remove the lock if you can prove ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.